guys, come with me to Hermès. I have an appointment in 5 minutes. I don't know if I can film anything, but yeah, maybe I'll take some pictures. Finished my appointment, haul coming soon, and now I'm heading to Chanel because I want to try some of the Cocoa Crush. I love the Chanel on 64th location because it's always like quiet, unlike the 57. They don't have ready to wear there, but if you want to try on like bags, shoes and jewelry, they have, and it's nice and quiet. Hello everyone, I just got back from Pilates and I just want to do a quick casual unboxing with you guys. I slapped on some lipstick to look somewhat presentable. I might include the vlogs of me shopping in this video if I have enough footage. It comes in this white bag, but it's orange on the inside, so we know where that comes from. I want to do a quick one because I want to wear the items that I picked up. These are just 2 items that I picked up recently from the store. Let's go ahead with the big one. It's not as exciting as it looks. If you hear the sound of water, that's just my husband showering in the bathroom. New York apartment, you hear everything. Okay, so let's start with the big one. It's nothing exciting. I wish it's a bag, but it's not. So here's the receipt. Let's see what we have here. Ribbons off. And this is how it looks like inside. Okay, I've never gotten a sticker before, so that's something new. So I got a new cap from the ice cream collection. If you've been to the store lately, there's so many pieces from the ice cream collection. I've been wanting a spring summer cap from Hermès, and initially I want something beige, but of course it's very classic Hermès that there's nothing ever in stock, and these guys just came in. It comes in blue, green, and so many other colors. I think like Barbie pink, white, and orange. I do have a white cap, so I figure I don't want another white hat, and I went with this one. This is in the size small. This has elastic on the back instead of a snap closure, but I think blue is going to be something that I can wear a lot. I like wearing caps lately. I don't know, that's all everyone in New York is wearing. They did have like one of those bucket hats in really cute colors, but I feel like nobody wears them anymore, so I don't really want to invest something that I'm not gonna wear a lot. And I've been wearing my caps so much, especially when you're running errands and you don't care and you don't want to do your hair, or it's like second day hair. That's what I tend to wear. Now the inside just looked like so with the tag. It is that kind of like terry cloth material, so it is cotton. It's 100% cotton. It's made in France. It has this cute emblem of the ice cream. It says Hermès, but it's not like too much in your face. That's what I'm trying to avoid. Like some of the hats, it says like age on the front, or it says like big Hermès emblem on the front, and I really want to avoid that. So this is how it looks like. A very simple cap, but I think this will be great for spring, summer. I love hats and I wear a lot of hats, so this will be something that's going to be very useful for me. It's not the most exciting thing in the world, but actually these kind of pieces are the pieces that you wear on the daily, and it's kind of like, you know, cost per wear wise, I know I'm gonna wear this forever. Like I wear all my other caps like crazy. All right, next one is in this small box. You could probably guess what's inside. Let's open it up. Voila. It is, of course, the Calvi card holder, and it's in the color gold. I think the leather is Epsom. So this will be actually my first piece of Epsom leather. And the reason I want to get this one is I've been really in love with the color gold lately. One of my friends actually got a bag in their color gold. I've been toying around with the idea of getting like a gold bag from them, and you know, like preparing myself just in case that there's an opportunity of me getting a Kelly, and then if so happens I'm offered a color gold. I want to know if I actually like the color. I mean, I like the look of it. I like the color gold on a lot of people on Instagram. I've seen gold a lot, so I want to have something in leather with their color gold to just get used to it. I don't typically like SLG in neutral color. I like a pop of color because it's gonna be inside my bags anyway, and I like a little bit of a pop of color so that when I'm going through my bags I can see my SLG right away. But I think this is definitely going to be better than black. Gold, you could still see it inside your black bags, and I love how beautiful the gold color is. And also this is the Calvi Duo, which I've never had before. I only have one other SLG from Hermès in my collection, which is the Calvi, but it's like the regular Calvi in green. So I love the idea of the Duo because you have the snap button closure on the other pouch, which you can have your cash or even your cards be more secure, or even coins if you want to, in this section over here. So it makes it a little bit more significant in terms of like how weighty it is, a little bit more compared to the Calvi, because the Calvi, it is so lightweight and I feel like I wouldn't feel it if it like fall off my hand because it's just so lightweight. And this one feels a little bit more sturdier than a Calvi, and yeah, so beautiful. It's just gorgeous. Of course, I love the burn wallet, but I feel like I can't justify a price of the burn wallet, and I would rather get maybe an Evelyn TPM in the gold color as opposed to getting a wallet in the same price range. For me, it's a little bit crazy that the burn wallet is more expensive than the Evelyn TPM. So yeah, that is my quick haul for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like if you like it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the Hermès gold color. Are you a fan, and do you have anything in your collection that is in the same color? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.